Welcome friends. In this video I am going to tell about how translate function is going to be work. It translates this particular character in the form of ASCII to the another character in the form of ASCII, and that ASCII character is going to be converted to the character form. The ASCII is the numerical form and it is converted to the character form. So how this is going to be work? Let's see. So first of all, we have to write one dictionary. Okay, one dictionary. Suppose my dict equal to, within curly bracket there is a 83 colon 80. How I will already research it. That's why I understand how this function is going to work. You understand first this thing, then I will clarify you on the different examples which will going to be better understanding about how this translate function is going to be work. So first of all, my dict 8380, then type here x equal to, there is a text. Suppose this is a text equal to hello Sam. Fine. When you are going to be print text dot translate and my dictionary. Okay, so here s will be the 83 and it will be returned to the 80, which will the ASCII value of p. Okay, which will the ASCII value of p. Let's see what is going to be happen. So here see hello, and where the hit the ASCII value 83, the s is the 83. Okay, then it is converted to the 80, which is the generally of a p. Okay, understand how it is going to be work? Fine. So let's see another example. Suppose my dict equal to, I will take as a 65 colon 70. Okay, then take the text equal to apple is my favorite fruit. Okay, then print text dot translate, then here converted to the my dictionary. Okay, let's see what is going to be happen. So here see, muffle is my favorite fruit because enter the string inside the particular text, the enter string is generally searching a specific ASCII value which has a 65. So here capital A, the beginning character of a particular word, that is apple, the capital A has ASCII value 65 and it is mapping with 70, and 70 is the particular character ASCII value which is generally converted or translate when I am using this translate function. Here see mpel. mpel means here f is the replacement of the ASCII character, that is 65, means a is replaced by f. Okay, so that's it. Now you understand. Now I will go for another function. Suppose my dictionary equal to, I will take alphabet any. Okay, a b c 66 67. So here I will take 67, then convert it to the 72. Okay, you count out because 65 is the ASCII value of capital A, and when you counted out in your way, what is going to be reached on 72. So here I am to going to be write cat is simple animal. Okay, I can't write in the form of what is going to be better meaning of this sentence. Cat is animal. Okay, cat is an animal. That's it. When I am going to be print and text dot translate, and here inside my text. Okay, so here ASCII value of C, capital C, is a 67 and when you are going to be run it, it translate that 67 in mapping with 72. So 72 hit the particular ASCII character, okay, in the form of capital. And let's see what character is going to be placed in the cat. The letter which is going to be C is replaced by the H. Hat is an animal. Hat is a animal. Okay, you understand how it is going to be work, the translate functions. If have a further any doubt, go through the comment box, type there, I go through it and check it. It is, if there is any difference, or if there is any problematic questions arises, I go through it and give the answer of that. Please share this video, like this video, subscribe the channel, click on the bell icon. When I am going to upload any future videos, you will get the notifications. Thank you.